Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I hope all are safe at home with your family. Today, in this session, we can learn some sight words and we can practice reading also. Okay, let's start our class. Today, first we are going to learn some sight words. Sight words. First, we are going to learn 6 sight words today. Okay? Yes, sight words. What do you mean by sight words? Sight words. In phonics, we have a particular sound for each letter and we form a word. No? But these sight words do not follow the phonic rules. A sight words phonic rules को follow नहीं करेगा. We have to memorize as a whole by sight and we have to by heart it as it is. Okay? See, listen here. Yes, first we can learn how to read these sight words. T-H-E, the. How will you read? T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Then M-Y, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, M-Y, my. Then next word, I-S, is, I-S, is, I-S, is. सब टीचर के साथ रीड करके जाना. ओके? I-T, it, I-T, it, I-T, it. Next word, H-E, H-E. आप नहीं तो कैसे रीड करोगे? ह, ए, है. No, because this is a sight word. It is a sight word and this sight word do not follow the phonic rule. We have to by heart it as it is. हमको एक phonic rules को follow नहीं करेगा and we have to by heart this word as it is only. H-E, he. H-E, he. How will you read this? H-E, he. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. I am repeating once again. All see. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. I-S, is. I-S, is. I-T, yes, all say. I-T, it. I-T, it. H-E, yes, all say. H-E, yes, he. And today's last word, S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Yes. Here are some flashcards. And today's sight words are written here. You have to identify the word and you have to read the word also. Okay? Yes. Let's start. Yes. Read this word. T-H-E. Yes. All read. T-H-E. The. T-H-E, the. Very good. Then, next word. M-Y. 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 Yes. My. All read. M-Y. My. Next. I-S. I-S. Yes. All read better. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. Next. I-T. I-T. It. I-T. It. टीचर ऐसे दिखाऊंगी आपको देख के रीड करना. ठीक है? यस. नेक्स्ट. एस. एस. नेक्स्ट वर्ड. H-E, he. H-E, he. Then today's last sight word. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Today we learned 6 sight words. So parents, please make simple flashcards like this and keep it in a way that all the time they can see so that automatically they can recognize and learn these 6 sight words. Okay? Yes, better. Now all take our English book. Open page number 18. Page number 18. Sight words. Here you put today's date 22. 22nd August 8th month 2020, and this is our classwork, today's classwork. Okay, 22/8/2020 CW. Yes, sight words. We learned 6 sight words today, and we are writing. We are writing those 6 sight words once again. Okay, yes. Open it. See, 6 kites are here, and your sight words are inside these kites. And you all read these words. Yes. First kite. Which sight word kite is this? T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. M-Y, my. I-S, is. I-T, it. H-E, he. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Yes. Now, we are going to write these sight words. We are going to write these sight words. Yes. How will you write? First one, T-H-E, the. Yes. All write with me. T-H-E. इसे कर्सी में लिखना बेटा, कर्सी में ही लिखना. Continuously you have to write. Yes. Line touch करके ही लिखना. How will you write? You have to write by touching the lines. Means you learned how to write each letter. Capital letters and small letters you already learned. So that way only you have to write words also. Okay. So T-H-E lines touch करके बराबर बोल के ही लिखना. T-H-E, the. So 2 times you have to write. T again. T continuously. Touch here, come down here. Then H, how will you write H? Like this. H, then E, the. T-H-E, the. कोई कैसे लिखेंगे? ऐसे. Say T-H-E. This is wrong. ऐसे नहीं लिखना, ठीक है? You have to write like this only. Write like this only. Okay? See the next word. M-Y. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. See how to write my. All the words English में आप नोटबुक में भी हो और ये टेक्स्ट बुक में भी हो, आप लाइन्स टच करके ही बोल के ही लिखना, ठीक है? M, not in English, all the subjects. M, ऐसे M कैसे? यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके यहाँ तक जाना, ठीक है? Start from the 3rd line, go up to the 2nd line, like this. You know how to write M. M, then continuously Y. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. Again we have to write my 2 times. M-Y, my. M-Y, my. Okay, finished. Then I-S, is. I-S, is. Yes, all right. I think these words we had written in our cursive practice book. No? हाँ, cursive practice में हमने ये सब लिख दिया है. I-S, is. हम 2 letter words learn करने के टाइम है ना? I-S, is. I-S, is. Then next word, I-T, it. I-T, it. I-T, it. I-T, it. We have to write how many times? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. I-T, it. Then H-E, he. H-E, he. H-E, he. H-E, he. 2 times. Once again. H-E, he. Then today's last sight word. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. So मम्मी आपको फ्लैश कार्ड ऐसे बना के देगी. मम्मी घर पे रखेगी. So every time आप खाना खाने के टाइम और खेलने के टाइम कुछ भी हो, whenever you see these words, what you have to do? You have to recognize the word and you have to read also. Okay, so first we can learn 6 sight words and some more sight words are there. We can learn in another section. Okay, yes beta, sight words clear. Now open page number 19. Let's read this passage also. Okay, here also you put today's date 22/8/2020. This is not classwork or homework, just you put the date only. Okay, just reading practice only. We are doing reading practice. Yes, और टीचर के साथ बोल के ही जाना. ठीक है, टीचर के साथ रीड करना. सी लेसन नंबर 9. FAT fat, CAT. Yes, all say 3-letter words means vowel with word. We learned words with vowel A. That words only we are recapping here. Yes, all read CAT, cat. So already a fat cat. S. Let's read. CAT का at cat. अभी हम एक एक साउंड बोल के नहीं रीड करेंगे, ऐसे साथ में रीड करेंगे. ओके, CAT cat, cat. नेक्स्ट FAT fat, CAT cat. It's already a fat cat, a fat cat. Yes. Next line, next sentence. SAM. It's already Sam, Sam. SAT, 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 sat. on, THE, the. MAT, mat. Sentence full read करो सब. SAM, Sam, sat on the mat. Sam sat on the mat. Okay. Next one. CAT cat, SAT sat, on, THE the, MAT mat. As all read cat sat on the mat. Cat sat on the mat. Okay, are you clear beta? Next one. SAM, Sam. PATS, pats. PATS, pats. Pats. THE, the. CAT, cat. Let's all read. Sam pats the cat. Yes. From the starting we can learn how to read. A cat, a fat cat. Sam sat on the mat. Yes. Cat sat on the mat. Sam pats the cat. एस बेटा सब क्लियर हो गए सबको ये सेंटेंस रीड करने के लिए. एस नेक्स्ट वन. और लिसन हियर. LED lad, LED lad, lad. Next one. LED lad, RAN, 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 ran. साथ में रीड करो. lad ran, lad ran. See next one. LED lad, RAN, ran. TO2 VAN, van. साथ में रीड करो ना. lad ran to a van. lad ran to a van. Yes. Next one. MAN, man, a man, a man. PAN, pan, and MAN, man. A pan and a man. A pan and a man. Then PAN, pan, and MAN, man. to read? Are you clear? Yes, once again I am repeating. See, all read with me. A cat, a cat, a fat cat, a fat cat. See, this is a cat and this is a fat cat, a fat cat. Sam sat on the mat. Sam sat on the mat. Sam, he says Sam sat on the mat. Mat के ऊपर बैठा है ना Sam. Sam sat on the mat. Next, cat sat on the mat. See, the cat is also sitting on the mat. Cat sat on the mat. Then next one, Sam pats the cat. Sam pats the cat. See, Sam pats the cat. Okay, see the next one. A lad. A lad. A lad ran. A lad ran. A lad ran to a band. Lad ran to a band. Next one. A man. A man. A pan and a man. A pan and a man. Next. A pan and a man in a van. A pan and a man in a van. So today we learned sight words and one reading also. आप ये फुल हमारी क्लास होने के बाद ये साइट वर्ड्स को भी अच्छे से लिखना है, लर्न करना है. देन यू हैव टू राइट दिस साइट वर्ड्स इन स्लेट. ओके, स्लेट में लिखना, ठीक है. प्रैक्टिस इन स्लेट. देन यू हैव टू रीड दिस बुक, रीड दिस पेज डेली. यू हैव टू रीड दिस पेज ऑल्सो, ठीक है. टिल हमको नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट करने के पहले तक, मतलब डेली, टुडे टुमारो डेली यू हैव टू रीड दिस पेज ऑल्सो. यस, टुडे वी लर्न साइट वर्ड्स एंड रीडिंग ऑल्सो. बेटा यू प्रैक्टिस दीज टू. साइट वर्ड्स भी क्लियर लर्न करना और रीडिंग ऑल्सो. We can see the next session with next another topics. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe. Stay home.